Welcome to AI Vega. Thanks for joining me on AI Vega. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss tutorials like this one. Let's keep coding and creating together. Today, we're breaking down two essential Flexbox properties, justify content and align items. These two will transform how you structure your layouts in CSS. Let's start with our header. You'll notice the text, Flexbox, justify content versus align items centered beautifully within a dark blue banner. That's all thanks to Flexbox. By setting justify content to center, the text aligns horizontally, and with align items also set to center, it's vertically aligned. On the other hand, align items is like a vertical elevator. It controls how the performers align along the cross-axis, which is vertical by default. Think of it as adjusting whether they stand tall at the top of the stage, align items, flex start, hang out in the middle, align items, center, or line up at the bottom, align items, flex end. Next up is align items. This one handles the cross-axis, or vertical alignment, in our demo. Currently, it's set to flex end, which aligns all the boxes at the bottom of the container. Changing it to center aligns them vertically in the middle, and stretch will make them fill the container's height. To really get the hang of these properties, open the code, and try modifying the justify content and align items values. Watching how the boxes move and align will solidify your understanding. Thanks for tuning in to AI Vega. I hope this video helped you understand Flexbox properties better. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep experimenting with your layouts and see how these properties can transform your designs. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated on all the latest coding tips and tricks. Hit that notification bell so you're the first to know when a new video drops. Let's continue building amazing projects together. See you in the next video, and as always, happy coding!